Agrivision review. Is this a legit crypto MLM? Can you make a boatload of money and make a ton of returns and be living happily ever after doing so? Watch this video to find out the truth. Now, before I get started, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click that bell icon so every time I make a new video, you'll be notified right away. And also, if you want to learn how you can get into legit crypto projects that have external revenue where you can never get exit scammed on ever again, go to wealthworlddefi.com, watch that free training by my mentor, Dan Ryder, and he'll show you exactly how to do that. Plus, his cash flow strategy is very, very passive, meaning you just got to pop in maybe a couple times a week, 5-10 minutes, see how everything's doing, and then you can leave. And that's pretty much it. I'm to the point where that cash flow strategy funds my entire life, which is fantastic. And like I said, I only check in a couple of times a week. I'm also in other stuff like real estate, and so far this cash flow strategy is beating that. And plus, you don't need a ton down to make money like, real estate. So go to wealthworlddefi.com, start crushing it with crypto. All right, Agrivision. So this is apparently some game changer opportunity in agriculture. But I didn't really see too much of that happening, meaning I didn't see any proof of that happening. And here's why. So who owns Agrivision, right? When it comes to investment opportunities, you got to make sure the leadership is strong. They have great vision. This is going to be here for the long haul. But here we go. Red flag number one, anonymous leadership and suspicious incorporations, right? So there's no CEO, no executive team, no LinkedIn profiles, no verifiable physical headquarters. I do know is that the agrivision.uk domain was privately registered December 5th, 2024, just a few weeks before it launched. And the company claims to be exporting agricultural goods at a large scale, but they didn't exist before December 2024. So that's, there goes that. The UK incorporation also, Agrivision Global Ltd. For some reason, the FCA totally sucks when it comes to regulating MLM companies that commit securities fraud. Like, everyone can sign up with the FCA. They don't care. The strong one would be the SEC in the United States. If they can do that, then obviously it's a legit opportunity. But FCA have, a lot of these scammers decide to go with FCA or the one in Australia. Forget what they are now. But it's either UK or Australia where anyone can incorporate and scam people, which is not good. So here's another thing. They don't have any real products, right? They don't have any retail products or services, only investment projects, which is, okay, but it has to be at a, retail level. You need retail sales in any company in order for you to run it as a legitimate business. But obviously there's nothing happening here. All you can do is become an affiliate and invest into one of their investment plans. And when it comes to the investment plans, they got a ton of information here, right? So they got 4 investment plans to choose from. Sprout, invest $1,500 to $2,500 pretty much, and then you can earn 1.5% daily. Where their highest one is Thrive, invest $25,000 to $100,000 and earn 2.5% daily. So, why is this a problem, right? Why is these daily returns a problem? Guaranteed returns do not exist in real investments. No one that offers investment plans can give you a real guarantee. There's always going to be risk involved, but they are right on the money, right, with this, which is weird because they have no leadership. Like, who's the leader that discovered this, right? Number 2, if a company could generate 2.5% daily, why would they need your money? Think about that logically. These kind of ROI models collapse once recruitment slows down, right? So let's do some Ponzi math here. 2.5% daily returns means an investor would double their money in 40 days and 10x it within 6 months. If this were a actually sustainable business, Agrivision would already be a multi-billion-dollar operation. Instead of they need new investors to keep the money flowing, right? You got to make sure, you just do the Ponzi math. They do have a really, they have a decent compensation plan, and this is how they're funding the returns, right? They got up to 6 levels in a unilevel comp plan. You can earn 10%, 8%, 6, 4, and 2, depending on the level. And I'll have this blog post in the description box below so you can take a look. But yeah, so this is how they're really funding their returns, which is just getting new people to invest. And the existing funds pays off new people. That's pretty much it. What happens if, what happens when Agrivision collapses? Well, the Ponzi math guarantees a collapse. You can't sustain 2.5% daily forever. So this is how it usually happens. Number one, new recruits slow down, right? Company gets less popular. Number two, investors start complaining about withdrawal delays. Once the delays happen, you're in trouble. Number three, the company makes excuses, system updates, verification issues. Or I've actually seen that they got hacked. That's another one. Number four, withdrawals are completely disabled. That's when this company is pretty much gone. Agrivision shuts down its website overnight. Most investors lose everything. So that's how this is going to play out, okay? I don't know where in this company is when it comes to this cycle, but it will exit scam. And this is why I gave it a rating of 1 out of 5, because it's likely... it's not likely. It's 100% Ponzi scheme. Okay, this thing is not going to last. Do not invest in this thing. If someone tells you, "Oh, this is a new investment opportunity," it's a scam. Do not invest. Stay out of this, and you'll be good. Anyway, that's it for this review. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Click that bell icon so every time we're going to video, you'll be notified right away. And if you want to get into crypto the right way, legit way, where you will make a return and the projects have external revenue coming in to fund those returns, go to wealthwithdefi.com. That's the best way to do this, and you'll never get exit scammed again. You don't have to worry about anything. Plus, you'll be trained up by my mentor that's been doing this for several years. He's completely crushing it, and he has a baseline curriculum and also live trainings, and also he gives you market updates to see, if this is a good time to invest or not. But all that information could be found at wealthwithdefi.com. Just get started. If you're thinking about getting into Agrivision, just go to wealthwithdefi.com and just start with that. You'll be much better off. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, buddy.